Hey there, McKenna here, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. Welcome to 66 Chatterson, located in Taunton North, Whitby. Let's check this one out. Come on in. Now, welcome to the formal living space. We've got hardwood floors and California shutters throughout. Keep an eye on that throughout the rest of the home. Let's check out this kitchen. There's so much going on here. We've got granite countertops, breakfast bar, an eat-in kitchen, and a walkout to the backyard. What more can you ask for? This home boasts 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, but let's take a little bit of a more detailed look at the master. It's got California shutters, large windows, 5-piece ensuite, and of course that lovely walk-in closet. So let's take a quick wrap up and talk about a couple things that this home has to offer. We've got a gas fireplace, main level laundry, and a surround sound entertainment area located in the basement. But you're gonna have to come check out the home to see that one. And of course, the area. Taunton North is beautiful, great schools, family friendly, and you've got to get yourself out here to see that as well. Talk to you soon.